Hey there, it's David Cinelli here with the DC team. Today we're at the Cookery because we're continuing our 12 shops of Bloor West Village. And with me is Allison, who's the owner. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing very, very well. So I want to tell a little bit more. If somebody's coming to buy the property, like what kinds of stuff do you have in your shopping? What are we looking for in your shop?
So Cookery is a small neighborhood shop where we want everyone to feel super, super welcome. We really focus on curating great cookware for the home cook. And so if you're super passionate about cooking, you will find best-in-class cookware and best-in-class tools like All-Clad or Le Creuset. But if you're just starting out, you're also going to find really, really affordable tools and cookware. Canadian-made cookware, great quality but less expensive. So we really focus on trying to have something for everybody.
That's amazing. So do you have any like specials coming up for somebody's going for Christmas? Do you have any cool things that they can come shop for?
Yeah, it's really important to us every single year to have things that people have on their lists. So generally at Christmas time, people want like a nice big set of cookware if they've been saving up all year and, or their parents are going to help them out and they want that brand new cookware. We've got all of our sets from All-Clad on sale, whether you want 5-layer metal or you want the regular D3 or you want something brushed. We've got all of our sets on sale. We also have a number of pieces from Le Creuset. We work really hard to try to work with our vendors to make sure that they can give us pieces that we can put on sale at Christmas time. So we have, 5-liter Dutch ovens in an oval size that are on sale.
That's amazing.
And yeah, it's really fun. We love Christmas.
And if somebody's just driving by, what is the exact location? Because I want to make sure everybody knows how they can come reach here at in Bloor West.
So if you are in Bloor West Village, if you're coming up the Kingsway, we're just east of Jane. And if you're coming from downtown, we're just west of Runnymede, right on the corner of Dewey. And so if you know where Snapper's Fish Market is, right on the corner of Dewey, we're right kitty corner from them.
I'm so excited. This is amazing. Yeah, and you definitely got to come check out the shop. We walked in like, I think we wanted to buy everything in the shop. I think so. It's pretty cool. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, one more pizza oven for David's office. We have pizza every day.
Well, unbelievable. Well, have a happy holiday, and we're glad that you're part of this 12 days of the shops of Bloor West Village.